Welcome back. Today we'll be looking at how to install a React app and the components we need to download. Okay, so let's just get started. So the first thing we need to do is install NodeJs. So there we go, NodeJs download. I'm going to click on the pre-built installer tab, and you know what? I'm going to install the current version. So let's download that one. Let's install it. You can select this option, but I'm not going to for now. Let's just click next and install. Okay, so we can test that installation by opening, let's go to PowerShell. And if we type in npx, so you see we get this error message that scripts are disabled on this system because of the execution policy. Now there's a quick fix around that. We just enter this line and this should fix it forever. So if we just hit enter there, and that's it. So the next thing we need to do is create our React app. So I'm going to go back to the root. I'm going to create my dev folder where all my applications will live, and cd dev ls. And now let's create our React app. So it's a simple command, npx create -react -app, and the application you want to create, and hit enter. Okay, to proceed, yes. And just wait while that does its thing. Okay, so your application is now created. Let's list the folder. You can see it there, so let's move into that. And there's the source files. And to simply run it, let's go npm start. I want to allow Node.js. And what's it doing here? And I'm going to run it in Edge. And there you have it, simple. First React application. Okay, let's get out of here. Control C. Let's close that. Now, in order to edit your React app, start actual coding, you're going to need an editor. So I'm going to choose Visual Studio Code. Let's download that now. Go. Now I use Windows, so let's do this. Install this one. And download. Accept agreement. Next. Install it. Well, you want to install it. Let's click next again. Yeah, I want to create a desktop icon, and I'm going to click these two. Next. Install. Okay, finish, and let's launch. Okay, so I'm going to navigate to the folder where my React app lives. That was in dev, my app. Select this folder. Yes, trust the authors. And you can see the source code is here. You can start editing away. So if you want to actually run now without opening a terminal, you just click, an external terminal. We can just do it from here. So select terminal, new terminal, and you can just do npm start from here. That's the way I prefer to do it. And there you go. So this is the first React video in my React playlist. In future videos, we'll be looking at how to create components and using state and stuff like that. Okay, so like and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye-bye.